Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 33. It is related to chapter 2, the 4 operations. Here the first one is fill in the blanks. The first question is 0 multiplied with 1396. You know very well, you can multiply 0 with any number. We get the product is 0. Next, moving on to second number. 178 multiplied with 855. Here the multiplicand is 179 and multiplier is 855 is equal to the given. We observe closely. Here the given number is 855. So obviously the multiplier is 117 and then only the products of the given numbers are same. Next, moving on to second one. Find the product by direct multiplication and using the lattice method. So we have to first do the direct multiplication method. Multiplicand is 9027 and the multiplier is 406. We have to find the product. Start with ones place onwards. 7 6 42. 7 6 42 and 4 is the carry on number. Next 6 2s 12 and 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 we have to write it down and 1 is the carry on number. Next 6 zeros 6 we know very well. 0 plus 1, the answer is 1 only. Next 6 plus 6 nines 54. Write 54 as it is. Next, here we have to put the into symbol. Why? Because ones place completed. So moving on to next tens place. We know very well if you multiply 0 with any number, we get the product is 0. So how many zeros we have to place? 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have to keep mention and multiplication symbol. Why? Because here tens place completed. So moving on to hundreds place. Next 4 sevens. 4 sevens is 28. 4 sevens 28. 8 we have to write it down. And 2 is the carry over to next place. Next 4 twos. 4 twos 8. 8 plus 2. The answer is 10. 0 write it down. 1 is carry over to next place. Here 4 zeros. 0 and 0 plus 1. Yes, 1. Next 4 nines. 4 nines 36. 36. Which operation we have to use here? Yes, my dears, we have to use addition. Next, add these numbers, we get 2 and 0 plus 6. 6 and 4 plus 0, sorry, 1 plus 0. We get 1, 1 plus 8. The answer is 9. Next, moving on to next place. 4 plus 0, 0, sorry, 4 and 4 plus 0. Again, 4. Next, moving on to next place. 5 plus 0, 5 and 5 plus 1. 6. Next, here not there any number to the addition. So, directly write the number. The answer is 36,64,962. Next, moving on to lattice multiplication. It is the normal method. Now, we have to use the lattice method. So, here the given 9027. Next number is 406. Here it is the 4-digit number. So we have to draw the 4 grids. 2, 3, 4. Next, here it is a 3-digit number. So we have to draw 3 grids horizontally. 1, 2 and 3. Like this we have to draw. Now what we have to do? Wait for 1 minute. Yes, write this 9000 horizontally. And 406 in vertically. Now draw the diagonal lines of the grids. Diagonal lines. Lattice means it is the total grid work or framework. We have to solve the multiplication problem by the grids, by using the grids. Like this, we have to draw the diagonal lines. Now what we have to do, I will say. Next, here we have to start with ones place onwards. Multiplication also start with ones place onwards. I will write here ones, tens, hundreds. Here also ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Yes, my dears. 6 sevens. 6 sevens, 42. Write 4, 2, 42. 4, 2, 42. Here in the lattice, it is a diagonal line, it is a ones place, it is a tens place. That's what I write 42 like this. Okay, my dear. Next, moving on to next place. 6 twos. 6 twos? Yes, 6 twos. 12. 1, 2. 6 twos, 12. Next, moving on to 6 zeros. 0. Next, 6 nines. 6 nines, 54. Next, moving on to ones place. Here the digit is 0. Next place, tens place. Here the digit is 0. If you know very well, multiply any number with 0, we get the answer is 0. So you have to mention zeros, no problem. Like this. Next, moving on to 4. Hundreds place. 4 sevens. 4 sevens, 28. Next, 4 twos, 8. And 4 zeros, 0. Next, 4 nines, 36. Now we have to do the addition and according to diagonal lines. See, my dears, we have to add according to diagonal lines. Here the number is 2. Next, moving on to second line, 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. I will write here 2. Next line, 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8 and 8 plus 0, again 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 0, again 9. You get 9 only. Next, moving on to 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Write 4 here and 1 is carried out to next diagonal line plus 1. Next we have to count 0 plus 0. Again here all zeros are there. 0 and 0 plus 5. 5 and 5 plus 1. We get the answer 6. Next, moving on to second last diagonal line, 0 plus 6. 6 and 6 plus 0. 6 only. Next, number 3. The answer is 36,64,962. By using the lattice multiplication also we get the same answer. Third one, solve the following word problem. Here the word problem is, in a factory 37,629 items are produced every day. How many items will be produced in 1 year and 2 weeks? Here they given one hint. 1 year has 365 days. Here they given 1 year and 2 weeks. Total days are 365 days for 1 year and 14 days for 2 weeks. The total is 379 days. In 1 day, the factory produced 37,629 items. So we have to do one thing. We are doing addition of the 37,629. How many times? 379 times. But it is lengthy process. We know very well. If you are multiplying, if you are doing the addition of the same number, it is nothing but multiplication. So we have to do one thing. Multiply with the 379. Start with ones place onwards. 9 nines. 9 nines, 81. 1 we have to write it down and 8 is carried out to next place. Next 9 twos. 9 twos, 18 and 18 plus 8, 26. 6 we have to write it down. 2 is carried out to next place. 9 6, 54. 54 plus 2. The answer is 56. 6 we have to write it down. 5 is carried out to next place. 9 sevens. 9 sevens, 63 and 63 plus 5. 63 plus 5, 68. Next 6 is carried out to next place. 9 threes. 9 threes, 26. multiplication symbol, and 7 nines 63. 3 we have to write it down. 6 is carry out to next place. 7 twos 14, and 14 plus 6. The answer is 14 plus 6. The answer is 20. 0 we have to write it down. 2 is carry out to next place. Next place is here. Next 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 2. The answer is 44. Next 7 sevens 49, and 49 plus 4. 49 plus 4 50 and 53. 3 write it down, and 5 is carry out to next place. 7 3 is 21, and 21 plus 5. The answer is 26. Next, moving on to next place. Next place is hundreds place. 3 nines 27. Here ones place completed, tens place completed. Next 3 nines 27. 7 we have to write it down. 3 is carry out to next place. Next 3 twos 6, and 6 plus 2. The answer is 8. Moving on to 3 sixes. 3 6 are 18. 8 we have to write it down. 1 is carry out to next place. Next 3 sevens 21. 21 plus 1. The answer is 22. 3 3s 9, and 9 plus 2. The answer is 11. So which operation we have to use here? Yes, my dears, we have to use the operation addition. Here not there any number, so down the 1, and 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 is carry out to next place. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is 20, and 1 is a carry over number. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 is carry out to next place. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 plus 2. The answer is 16. Next 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 plus 2. The answer is 11. 11 plus 1. The answer is 12. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is the carry number. 4 and 1. The answer is 1,42,61,391. Next, moving on to D bit. Multiply the greatest 5-digit number by the greatest 3-digit number. Here, before going to the multiplication, we have to know the greatest 5-digit and the greatest 3-digit number. So, what is the greatest 5-digit number? Yes, 99,999. It is the greatest 5-digit number, and the greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. It is multiplication with all nines. Here we have to start with ones place onwards. 9 nines. How much? 9 nines 81. Again 9 nines. 9 nines 81. 81 plus 8. 89. 9 we have to write it down. 8 is carry out to next place. Again 9 nines 81. 81 plus 8. The answer is 89. 8 is carry out to next place. Again 9 nines. Again 9 nines 81. 81 plus 8. 81 plus 8. 89. One more 8 is carry out to next place. 9 nines 81. 81 plus 8. 89. Here ones place complete, so you have to mention 0. Again same, it will repeat it. Why? Because we are again doing with 9 only. So again we have to write as it is. 1 9 9 9 9 8. Here tens place completed. So keep the multiplication symbol. Again 9. Same number you are doing multiplication. So we have to write no problem. 9 ones 9 nines 81. 1 9 9 9 9 8. Now we have to do the addition. Yes, finally. Do the addition. The answer is here 1. Because of not there any number, so directly write 1. And 9 plus 1. The answer is 10. 1 is carried out to next place. Next. 9 plus 9. 18. 18 plus 1. The answer is 19. 19 plus 1. The answer is 20. 2 is carried out to next place. Next. 9 plus 9. 18. 18 plus 9. 18 plus 9 is 9 plus 9, 18 and 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 9, 29, 2 is carried out to next place. Two is carried out to next place. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 2, the answer is 29, 2 is carried out to next place. Next, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17 and 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 2. 26 plus 2 is 28. Moving on to next place. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 2. The answer is 19. 1 is carried to next place. Next, 8 plus 1. The answer is 9. The answer is 9,98,99,001. I hope, my dears, it is very easy, I think. I hope everyone understood. Thank you.